Hello, and welcome to Regular Achievers Educational Limited, presenting real tutors. I'll be taking through a topic, Pythagoras Theorem. This is very simple. I have a question here, and we're going to apply the Pythagoras Theorem to handle this question. We have to find the value of x. Okay? What's Pythagoras Theorem is a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. That is, if this place is a, this part is b, and then this longer side is c. That means the square of this part plus the square of this part will give you the square of this longer side. This principle is applicable to right angle triangle. Okay, so let's find the value of x. That will be 3 square plus what? 4 square equals to x. 3 square is what? 9 plus s square. Okay, 4 square is what? 4 times 4, 16, equals to s square. And this is 9 plus 6 is what? 25, equals to s square. For you to find the value of x, you need to find the square root of the both sides. Okay, so this square cancels out the square root, and then that means our x is square root of 25. What's square root of 25? That's what? 5. Then our x is 5 centimeters. That is the answer. I will give you an exercise. I will expect you to submit your answer at the comment box. The question is, we have 6 centimeters on one side, we have 8 centimeters on another side, and then we have to find the value of the longest side, which is x. Submit your answer at the comment box. Thank you.